Okay, this video is going to show you how to set up your chart for the purposes of your trading strategy. You should have by now downloaded your custom indicators from www.wellmedia.com/forex/template, and there's approximately 4 or 5 indicators on that page for you to save into your custom indicators directory, which is part of your MetaTrader folder. In other words, you right click on those files at the website and select Save As, and then find on your computer the C:// or /program files /metatrader /experts /indicators, and it's really important to save these indicators in that exact folder so we can put them directly on our charts. Now, don't be too concerned if I use a slightly different name for these indicators. You have got all the right ones if you've downloaded them from the website I just stated for you there. So we've got a 30-minute chart open, euro-dollar chart. We've got our price box, they call the market watch box, on our left-hand side. We're interested in the euro against the dollar. We want to put our 50 moving average on, so we insert indicators, trend, moving average, set it to 50, exponential, and whatever colour you like, but I like to choose a deep sky blue. Thicken it up so it's nice and clear, and put that on your chart. Right click on your chart and select properties, and just put it on candlesticks and unselect the grid. It's up to you, you can keep the grid if you want, but I like to unselect the grid so it's just nice and clear. You could also change the colours of the chart as well if you wanted. Okay, so we'll zoom in a notch, and then we put on our Fibonacci bands. So we go Insert Indicators Custom, and these are one of your custom indicators that you've just downloaded from my website. So we put in the Fibonacci SR indicator, OK it, and there it's brought out our support and resistance bands there on our 30-minute chart. And notice it does it on all our charts for us as well, so we know where the support and resistance is through these potential support and resistance lines. And the basis of this is that, as you will remember, is that once we cross through a resistance line, we tend to go up to the next line, and that's really helpful for your trading. So we're also going to put on our Murray math lines, which are really cool. Custom again, and lines is what you've got. The lines, and please reference these lines 18, 28, 38, 48, etc. I've put in a document on the thank you page which you can refer to. You can print it off. It's just one single page, and it tells you what these Murray maths mean, these Murray math lines, and how strong they are relatively. So that's our on chart technical indicators. Now we want our off chart indicators. So first of all, we want our step MA histogram, and that should be in custom. I've got it as step MA stock, but you've got it, I think, as SMA or STMSS stock histogram. Whatever you've got it as, stick it on your chart, OK it, and what you can do is just make it a bit smaller as well by left clicking on this grey bar and dragging the mouse down. And this is our chart. We're going to zoom in a couple more notches now by pressing the plus on the numeric keypad. Maybe just once is enough, just the one time. Twice. And now what we're going to do is put in our XO trend momentum indicator custom. Right down the bottom we'll find our XO. Oh, that was the wrong one. Insert indicators custom and the XO, and we're going to OK that. So now we've got our MA stock, which are our primary confirmation when we cross through this moving average, and then we've got the XO, which backs that up as well, gives us sort of slight assurance. And finally, we're going to insert the forex trend custom indicator, which we've downloaded. So we go to Indicators Custom and Forex Trend, OK the badger, and we've now got our chart set up for our trading strategy.